Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side.
Hey guys, so I started my winter vegetable garden a while back and I have grown lots of leafy vegetables, broccoli, pak choy, carrot, radish, and it turns out to be really amazing. Let me show you. I have tried it very first time and this is nol call. And look how big it is. You can see the flower of broccoli and it looks so delicious. Look. Here I have grown pea and I think here you can see the flower of pea. You know, when you harvest something that you have grown, it gives you such a sense of achievement.
I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road.
This winter I've started lots of things. Very first time I have started pak choy, lettuce, broccoli. Today I'm really happy to be able to grow all of these vegetables and fruits and share these with you. You know the best way to be happy is? Well, before we answer that question, we actually have to look at what exactly is happiness. What is it? Well, just buying something makes us happy. Sometimes eating an ice cream makes us happy. Meeting to special one makes us happy. So what exactly is happiness? All of this happiness is just short-lived. So the word happiness is not complete in itself. I don't think when we talk about happiness, we actually chasing happiness.
Close your eyes. Get some rest. I'm by your side. On my chest, I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay.
You know the best thing of gardening is you actually make really good friends. Like honeybee, ladybug.
Get some rest. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.
I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board.